All right, how you doing? So what we've got here today is some chicken, spiced and fried, serving that on a beautiful bed of lovely lentils. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here I've got 4 chicken legs. The skin is on, the bone is in. We're going to season this with the following. We've got a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, chili powder, paprika, and cumin. So we're going to get that on. We've got half a cup or just under of a nice quality olive oil. I've got a glove on. I'm going to get in there, mix that around, season this chicken beautifully, and then we're ready for the cooker. So you're going to need a skillet, a pan, or like this little kind of wok thing that I have here. Now the heat is on. It's on below medium. What we're going to do is we're going to take our chicken. We're going to drop them in. And then any excess marination also goes in. And like I say, keep this on a below medium heat. Otherwise what's going to happen, you're just going to burn the chicken on the outside and it won't be cooked on the inside. So these legs are going to take about 8 or 9 minutes, and I'm going to be turning them quite often. Okay, so off goes the heat. That chicken is cooked perfectly. You can hear that I wasn't frying it in a rage, you know what I mean? Nice and kind of nice medium heat to get it cooked all the way through. What we're going to do now is take the chicken out, set it aside, keep that oil. So I've got 3 cups there of cooked brown lentils, 1 cup of tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. What I've done with mine is stick them in my food processor. If you haven't got that or can't be bothered, just cut them nice and small. 1 cup of onion, about half a cup of bell peppers, optional to be honest, but I like them in there, and 1 tablespoon garlic. Let's get back to that pan. So I've just popped the heat back on, again above medium. Now of course we're keeping this, we've got some beautiful flavors in there. Let's get in that 1 cup of onion and the garlic. And we're going to go for about 4 minutes. Fabulous stuff. Now I'm not going to be adding any other spices to this because we've got a nice flavor in there, but if you want, you can get some cumin in there or something like that. Right, we're going to go in with the brown lentils, 3 cups worth of cooked. We're going to add a little bit more salt and black pepper, and then I'm going to go for another 4 minutes or so on this lively heat. Next up, we're going to go in with that cup of tomato. Like I say, I did put mine in the processor. If you want, just chop it. We're going to go in with those bell peppers now, a little bit of sweetness and colour. 5 minutes now. As the tomato cooks, it should give off some moisture. And to me that looks absolutely fabulous. What I'm going to do now, because our chicken is cold, isn't it, is I'm going to pop our chicken on the top. I'm going to get a lid on this, and I'm going to turn the heat down to a simmer. And by the way, any little juices in there, pour that in. So really nice and low now. Lid on. About 5 minutes, job done. Beautiful. Job done. So lovely spiced chicken, fried, nice and succulent inside on a bed of beautiful lentils. Keep safe, keep well. I do hope you enjoy that. Please take time to leave me a comment, give us a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.